With just cassava flour and corn flour, do you know you can make your own semo from scratch just like I did? It's such a light and beautiful swallow to make. So let me take you through the process in no time. So the first thing you want to do is to sieve your flour. This is my corn flour. I have to sieve it very well to remove any shaft, because if there is shaft, it tends to have seed, which we don't like in our swallow making. Okay, so I sieve that thoroughly, then set it aside. So the next thing I have to do is to sieve my cassava flour. I already have all these things at home, and there are videos of my cassava and corn flour that I made on my channel, so you can check it out how I make my own cassava and maize plant from scratch. So I have to sieve this out thoroughly to remove any shafts from it. Okay, so this will give us a very smooth swallow. So when you are done sieving, set both aside, and then let's get into the cooking right away. So before anything, we have to dissolve the corn flour in water. So add little cold water into the already sieved corn flour and stir continuously until a smooth, thick paste is formed. After that, set it aside. While this is ongoing, our hot water should be ready at this time. Okay, so when the water is boiling, take small out of it and set it aside. So the first thing you want to go in with is the already dissolved corn flour, which we mix with some cold water. Okay, pour this into the hot water and then stir continuously like you want to make akamu or ogi. Okay. So after that, you now cover it. When you open it and you see that it is a bit thick like this, then stir this again. So after that, the next thing you want to go with now is the cassava flour. So gently pour the cassava flour into the mixture on fire and continue your stirring. When making this swallow, it is best that the cassava flour is always more than the corn flour. This is because it will make it to be a bit draw. Okay, just like your normal semo in the market. So you can't tell the difference between this and semo if you really make it well. With your spoon, then try to gather all the edge of the pot together, because we are about to cook this again. If you find out that it's too thick at this point, okay, add the water. This swallow too, it always gets stronger when it is cold. So I stir very well until it is very smooth, like you can see in the video. Then it is not done yet though. You have to go in with water and then cover it up. I use the spoon to spread it out so that the water can penetrate all area. Then after that, I cover this up and allow it to cook for another 10 minutes. So after that, open up again. You can see that it has really boiled well together. Okay, so then take your spatula again and start stirring. So stir this continuously until everything comes together and a very smooth and fine swallow is made. Just like that, the swallow is ready. This swallow can go well with anything of your choice, like any soup, ranging from your banga, okra, pepper soup, egusi. But watch to the end of the video to find out what I enjoyed mine with. Just is a cheap form of swallow to make. You know, now that things are so expensive, we should always look for cheap and easy options to get out of everything. So just like that, if you have watched with me till this time, thank you very much. If you are new here, you are welcome. If you are, and to my returning subscriber, I love it. If you haven't subscribed, kindly do, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so don't get to miss any beautiful and interesting videos, as I'll be dropping to you new videos every week, ranging from farming, cooking, lifestyle, so much more. So until next week when I come again, God bless you and bye.